Hi friends and welcome to Susan Recipes. Today I am going to make onion pakora. We generally use it for iftar also. So the ingredients that is required to make this onion pakoras are: I have sliced 3 medium-sized onions, 3 green chillies. This is besan, salt. We will use little water for mixing and oil for cooking. So first step is I will mix everything together, the salt and the besan. Besan is the gram flour. If required, I will add little more besan. And little water. And now mix it properly. It should be sticky. Now it is completed. So now we will heat some oil. Now we will heat some oil in a kadhai and we'll take little mixture of the onion and we will drop it slowly in the oil. Our flame should be medium. Turn it slightly. Now generally onion pakoras are flat in shape, so just press it a little bit. I have pressed it. Now we will cook this on both sides properly. Now our onion pakoras, which is also known as Piyajus, are now ready. See, it's fried on both the sides. So I will take it out from the oil. We will repeat the same procedure with the remaining oil. Here our piyajis are all ready. So now we will repeat the same procedure for this remaining. Here is our crispy onion pakoras ready. It's very crispy and very tasty. I hope you liked my recipe. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to stay updated for my new recipes. Till then, see you soon. Bye.